This is the recipe for the 100% sourdough soft bread. It is healthy, super soft, and it has a pillowy structure. Now for the levain. Add yeast starter, bread flour, water, and mix it well. Transfer it into a clean container. Let it ferment until double or triple the size. Different yeast grow differently. Mine took about 5 to 6 hours. Now to prepare the bread dough. Add bread flour, sugar, levain. Turn on the dough function of the bread maker and add water. Knead until it forms a smooth dough and add in butter. Continue to knead until it passes the window pane test. Roll it into a ball. And let it rise for 1 hour. 1 hour later, it is ready for the second rise. Punch the gas out. Divide the dough into half and let it rest. Shape the dough. And put it into the baking pan. Ready for second rise. Now for the second rise, add in 4.5 hours. Time to put it in the oven at 190 degrees Celsius for 30 minutes. Enjoy! I hope you enjoyed this healthy and delicious bread. If you did, please remember to subscribe and like this video. The recipe will be in the link in the description below. Please go check it out. Thank you and bye!